Hi, this is Michael Nesbitt again with a very short tutorial regarding forums. All of these tutorials that I'm putting together have nothing to do with us promoting anything, have nothing to do with us making any money from you. This is just to basically help you, give you a little bit of guidance, a bit of tutoring and pointing you in the right area if you are a newbie to internet marketing and online marketing. And one of the important aspects of this is obviously backlinks, which I've been doing a few tutorials on. But linked to this, obviously, we have forums as well. Now, forums are full of people, well, obviously in thousands and thousands of different niches, but they're full of people with a very, very similar interest to your own. So if you're interested in, I don't know, something as simple as fishing, or like me, I'm interested in music. I was a musician for many years, so music forums are very, very interesting to me. If you're interested in pets or dogs or whatever it is, or horses, then those forums will be of great interest to you. So you will have a great deal of knowledge and a great deal of interest within this thing, but all of the knowledge that you've gained over the years will become very useful to someone. Now you mightn't think this at this moment in time, but if there is a specific interest that you've been interested in since you are, say, a teenager, or since you are young, whether it's a sport or a football club or whatever it may be, you will have knowledge and stuff that you can pass on to people, which will help them. And this is very important to do within forums, because not only can you get great advice back, but you can start to build relationships. And building relationships within forums and someone with a similar interest, this can progress and it can lead to a good friendship, and it can also lead to you making money together depending on what you're trying to sell online or whatever interests you've got that you could make money from. For argument's sake, if you're interested in fishing and you made your own flies or something like that, then you have to put your signature on, you have to put a link to your website, because this will then be passed right across everyone on the forum. And if someone sees that your flies are great from your fishing, and they go, oh, those flies are fantastic, I've never seen anything like them, I bet they work extremely well, you start up a conversation, they will then share it with everyone that they know, not just on the forum, but on social media, onto their website. And this is how you start to gain traction, get traffic, and make money from forums, just by engagement. Now, engagement is really, really important. So what I've done is, on this page here, as you can see, I put do follow forums. Now this is just a link to a site called shoutmeloud.com. Now if you put this into Google, if you put list do follow forums in Google, Shout Me Loud will come up. So this will give you a list of forums that may be good, may be of interest to you. So that would be a good thing. There is another list that I have here, which is, these are the high ranked do follow forums. So this is just a list. You can have a look at this and you can search on Google just to see if this would be any interest to you whatsoever. But there are literally hundreds of thousands of forums out there in very, very narrow niches, some in wide niches, some in niches that are completely left field that people don't know about. So even if you just want to, if you're interested in medieval armor or something like that, or dinosaurs or whatever it may be, there will be literally thousands of people who are interested in exactly the same thing. And this is your target audience, to not just to sell them product, but build relationships and meet more people within that niche and that genre that you're really, really interested in. And this is the beauty of the internet. This is why the internet is so phenomenal in this day and age. We really do live in the future. I hope that's helpful to you. It's very, very short, this one, I do understand, but I will be coming out with these tutorials very, very often now. So hopefully a few times a week I'll be able to put things up which will be able to help you. So I will speak to you again very, very soon. Thanks very much for listening. Cheers.